Hi everyone, I'm Brian Casel. I'm a web designer and the founder of restaurantengine.com. You can connect with me on Twitter at CastJam. And this is a video for Freelance Switch. So today I'm going to compare web design in general versus niche web design. And this is just a portion of the talk that I'll be giving at WordCamp Providence in Rhode Island this weekend. So what I'm talking about here is if you're running a freelance web design business, you might come to a point where you're looking for new ways to focus your business, tighten things up a little bit, and find a new way to scale up or grow your business or systemize the way that you create websites for your clients. And so today, let's kind of compare the differences between running web design projects for all sorts of clients versus focusing on a specific niche. So web design versus niche web design. When you're working in general in web design, every project has a unique set of goals, a unique set of requirements, and a unique solution. So every client that you work with will come to you with a certain set of goals and requirements, and you need to discuss how you're going to meet those solutions and then design and execute a solution specifically for that client, and then do it again and again in all different ways for all different clients. And that can be fun. It's interesting. It keeps you engaged, but it can be a little grueling, and you can also find that you'll reach a ceiling in terms of your ability to scale up with that sort of model. Now, niche web design, on the other hand, every project that you work on has a common set of goals, a common set of requirements, and a common solution. And you can kind of replicate this solution again and again because all of the clients that you're targeting have, if not the same goals and requirements, at least a similar set of goals and requirements. So maybe it just requires a few tweaks here and there, but you can kind of use the same solution again and again, making it easier to serve more clients and more specialized clients. So let's take a look at two of these projects in practice and kind of see what we're talking about here. So here are two websites that I've worked on. The one on the left is for shanxi.org. That was a recent client of mine. And the one on the right is a design template for which is available on Restaurant Engine, part of my niche web design service. So let's head over to the browser and take a look. Okay, so this is Oberlin Shanxi. They were a recent client of mine. This is a fully custom website design that we've done for them. The design was in collaboration with designer Ed Mullen. I think it turned out great. They were very happy with it. Basically, they are a fellowship program that works with international exchange students between Asia and America. And this website had to kind of accommodate all of their content needs, and they were very specific. So they have a list of fellows. So they needed a way to add new fellows to the list, add their names and bios and photos. So we've set up content, custom content types for these requirements in the WordPress CMS. Let's see, they've also have a board of trustees, so they needed a way to kind of manage their list of officers, their list of members. Each member had a specific bio line. So we just needed to kind of, give them a way to manage this type of content. They've also have some upcoming events and news. They take some donations. So these were all very specific requirements, and we designed solutions around their content needs. Now let's head over to Restaurant Engine. Now this here is a design template that's available on Restaurant Engine for restaurants. As you can see, it's designed with restaurants in mind, but it's not for a specific restaurant. What we've done is we've put together a common set of features that most restaurants rely on. So obviously we have a menus section where a restaurant can add their food items. They've got categories. They could add multiple menus and all of that. Photo gallery, that's another common thing that restaurants request, to have photos to show what their restaurant looks like. Upcoming events, a lot of restaurants have live music and parties and things like that, so we give them a way to list their upcoming and their past events. And of course, reviews. So restaurants can add their reviews and showcase, the best reviews that they've received right there on their website. Now, not every single restaurant will want to use the reviews feature, but a lot do. Nearly all of them want to use the menus feature. So this kind of shows how we found that common set of requirements, and we packaged it together into a single solution that can be replicated to lots of restaurants. So coming back to the slides here, just to recap, again, custom web design for all different clients. Everyone has different goals, different requirements, and you design a different solution. Whereas niche web design, you want to focus on a common set of goals and a common set of requirements, and then come up with a single solution that can be replicated to many more clients. So just two different approaches to building your freelance web design business. I hope this helped. I'd love to discuss this further in the comments here on Freelance Switch, or you can connect with me on Twitter. I'm at CastJam, and thanks for watching.